Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Can I just tell you how much I love this one? It's so pretty and it's so solid looking, right? It doesn't have any of the holes that you would normally see with a granny square. This is very, very solid. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it right up and we can take a look at the details. Okay, so this is just listed as the crochet flower square pattern, and it's by Love Indie UK. That's the name of the store on Etsy. The pattern is available for sale for $5.22, and it is listed as a beginner level pattern. It does say it's a 9-page pattern PDF that you will get. But let's look at some other pictures here because this one doesn't show, quite a very big picture. So let's take a closer look. Yeah, so this is the one we've already seen, and I think part of the reason I like it is the solidness of each square, but I also think I love just the colors that she chose. They're just really, really pretty. Beautiful baby blanket, right? So this is just showing that you can get the PDF and you can have it pulled up on your tablet, which is always really nice. And look at what she made with it. So normally we think, of blanket, we go right to blanket idea, but she used it to make a bag. And because they are solid blocks, I think that's a great idea. The only thing I worry about with crochet bags is the stretchiness of them. I'm not a big fan of the stretchiness, especially of straps, and I don't know, they just get all stretched out of shape if you put anything too heavy in them. So that's just a personal thing though. So let's see what the reviews say. Mary Jo says, what an awesome pattern. It's so easy to follow and the photos are so helpful. I'm not a beginner, but this pattern would be perfect for someone just starting out. It uses all simple stitches, but the outcome is so satisfying. So that's really good to hear. Ashlyn says, I'm definitely more of a beginner and this pattern was easy to understand and the photos very helpful. And here's a picture of what she made with hers. So very nice. Nice job, Ashlyn, for a beginner. Perfect. Yeah, so all of these reviews are very nice. And oh, look at this. This is a photo that someone added of the bag she made. So that's beautiful. This is Abby. Great, easy to follow pattern. The only thing is that there is not the same number of stitches on each side of the granny square. Just keep this in mind when deciding what the squares will be used for and how they will line up. Good tip. Thank you for that, Abby. Nice job. Okay, very nice. All right, everybody. Well, I definitely love this one. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this and if it's something you would consider making and purchasing. Until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day. All right, good night.